morning. So today we're gonna just do the same thing we did yesterday, and take their weights and just start to, try to make it a little bit more intensive. So actually touching their ears, tapping their nose, holding them close to the heart, so they can, get a comfortable feeling with humans. So let's do that. Hi, Mama. You wanna say hi, Mama? Oh, this is Mama's. This is Mama's. Okay. Let's go. So this is Gray. I know, Mama, look. You always gotta check on your babies. Good job. Okay, so we're just gonna weigh him. Let's do that here. So he is 7.4. Good job. Okay, 7.4 for Gray. Let's write that down. 7.4. Oh wait, it's right. 7.4. And yesterday he was 6.7, so that's really good. Now we're gonna do Blue, buddy. You already know Mama's got a smile. Come on. Baby's okay. This is just getting her comfortable with her babies being handled. Knowing that I'm not gonna hurt them. Say hi, Mama. Hi, Mama. So cute. All right, let's weigh him. Oh, he is full. 9.2. Good job. 9.2 pounds. Okay. 9.2. And yesterday he was 8.6. Do our ritual neurological stimulation. And we're gonna start with Blue. Watch out, Mama. Let's get close so you guys can see. Hi, babies. Good. So we're just rubbing it on his paws. Rubbing it on his paws. He's doing a little better today. Okay, we're just gonna lightly tap the ears. He likes that. Lightly tap the ears. Oh, he's so tired. He's so cute. Tap the nose. He's licking, so cute. Tap his fingers. And this just gets them more comfortable, like I said, with the human touch. If you hear noise, I'm sorry. I got music playing for them in the background. So this gets them used to human touch and less susceptible to stress and diseases in the long run. Strengthens their adrenal glands. Look at that face. Okay. So now we're gonna do Gray. This is little baby Gray. Oh, okay. Between his toes. Okay, Mama's here. See, he's okay. Hold him close. Touch his little ears. Touch little nose. His little earsies. His little nose. He's smelling. It's really good. We want him to be nose confident for when he gets older so he can be trained. Touch his little paws. Look at his little paws. Okay, babies. His little tail. Okay. And Gray still is looking for his mamas. We just want the perfect person for him, you know? Okay, so I think we're gonna do our scent introduction now. Day 2 is rosemary. So we're just gonna open this up and see how he reacts to it. I love rosemary. Okay, let's see. He's smelling. Curious. That's good, babies. Now we're gonna do blue. Curious babies. Good job. Good job. They're getting so big. 2 days ago, they were literally like smaller than my palm. Look at these babies. So curious. He loves to wiggle around and explore. Cuties. I think the music calms them. But yeah, guys, that was today's curriculum. So your puppy's eyes start to open all around day 10 to 15, and that's really when things start to get really fun. Like I was saying, right now it's a little bit more subtle because their eyes are closed and they really can't hear us. The only senses that they have right now is smelling. Hi, mama. So that's why we're just, getting them used to the human touch and starting that scent introduction. So by week 3, we start rubbing the ears, opening the mouth to get them, in case you want to brush your teeth, run your hands along their tail. You start touching the inside of their paws, start pressing the toes to express the nail. So they can get used to, getting their nails cut and stuff to make it easier for you. So yeah, I just want to give you like a little snippet. Actually, from day 1 to 14 is more just getting used to the human touch, and by week 3 is where we get into the really fun stuff, expressing them to getting groomed, new items in their whelping box to get used to things that are moving. I know my dogs, I got them from awesome breeders. However, they're really scared of things that are moving that they don't know, and we want to make sure that your puppies are not as fearful, and if they are scared, that they're brave enough to go and investigate what that is. So I will see you guys tomorrow.